Our UKG Kids is going to entertain and inspire us by telling story and captivate their imagination by enacting it.
பெரியவர்கள் சொல்ல கதைகள் கேட்பதுண்டு. பழக்கத்தை சற்று மாற்றுவோமா? கேட்க தயாராகுங்கள் குறும்பு குழந்தைகளின் கதையை.
Once a lion killed many animals every day, but eat only one animal. Unhappy animal said to him, "You are in a place of plenty. We will send you an animal every day." One agreed happily. One animal was sent to him for his meal every day. One day it was asked to go to the land. He walked very slowly and reached the land. Very land was, and they asked her, "Why are you so late?" Other lion said to him, "On the way and escape it a great difficulty. So we take land and kill it for a dinner road and let the lion to the big lion BB to the land. Size full of fish in the water. Other lion in the well. BB to the well. Kill is full of pleasure. The foolish lion trod animals live happily. Moral of the story is wisdom is stronger than strength. Thank you.
என் பள்ளி குழந்தைகள் கூறிய கதையினை கேட்கும் பொழுது அந்நிகழ்வினை நேரில் பார்த்த அனுபவம் கிடைத்தது. நன்றி குழந்தை.